Okay, so today I'm going to show you a 2-bedroom suite of Disney's Grand Californian Hotel. This is really a beautiful property, and I just wanted to show you the refurbed rooms for 2018. So this is December 2018. So we are going into the living room. You have a little mirrored closet here. Includes a safe, luggage rack, hangers, all that good stuff. And then we have this really nice living room. You have a nice desk, chairs, couch, really nice sectional, big screen TV, and then a little fridge area. And then we did a little grocery order from Vons. They just deliver it right to the hotel for a minimal fee, so that's really nice to stock up on bottled water, which is cheaper than like the parks and everything. And then this is the deck. Can't get it open. There we go. So the deck is covered, has a nice little seating area, and then the view is really nice. It shows you the hotel, of course, the pool area. Off in the distance you can see Grizzly Peak, and then the Mission Breakout Guardians of the Galaxy, water slide, hot tubs, and then there's more over here. More pool, more hotel. You can see the Incredicoaster and Mickey's Fun Wheel in the distance, and then over here just a tiny bit of Cars Land. So a really nice view from the deck. And then this is the master bedroom, king size bed, flat screen television, little desk, nightstands of course, really cute little orange decals, and then a little private 2-person balcony, again overlooking that same pool area with a sliding glass door. I like the dimmers on the outlets, and then also that there's USB plugins for the phone. That's a really nice update. There, nice wall art. Below, bathrooms, bathrobes, and then we have standard 2-sink vanity for the first bathroom, and then the shower with, looks like a detachable shower head, so that's really nice. Nice big shower. And then this is the second bedroom that's adjoining. So this could technically be a room on its own, but this is just part of the suite. Again, with the closet, bathroom, just a little bit smaller, and then the similar shower feature. And then this has 2 queen beds, nightstand to share it with, television, little sofa, love seat, and then again a sliding glass door balcony with the pool. So that was a quick overview of the Grand Californian 2-bedroom suite for the 2018 refurb. Thanks for watching.